Namaskar my dear friends. Let us talk about integration by substitution problems. So since this integration by substitution is very important topic, so we will take some more advanced problems, some 10-12 problems we will try to solve using integration by substitutions. So let us take first problem. The first problem is integration of log x whole square divided by x dx. So what we can do, let us put log of x is equal to t. Can we do that? Then if you differentiate, what will happen? Log x differentiation is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So we can write down our integration as integration of log x whole square by dx can be written as what? 1 by x can be written as 1 by x dx can be written as dt, and log x can be written as t. So t square dt. Now this has become very simple question. So we know that t to the power n dt is t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it can be written as t cube by 3 plus some constant c, and this can also be written as log x ka whole cube divided by 3 plus some constant c. So this is your answer. Let's take another question. Question 2 is integration of 1 by x plus x log x dx. So what can we do? Let us put what shall we do? It is in this form. So can we do this a little bit simplification? 1 by x time 1 plus log x dx. So now it has become very simple. 1 plus log x, if we substitute, then it will become little easy. So let us put 1 plus log x is equal to some variable, other variable t. So by differentiating, what will happen? Log x differentiation will be 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Differentiation of 1 will be 0, and log x differentiation is 1 by x then dx. So by substituting that value, what we are going to get? Integration of, we are going to put dx by x is equal to dt, right? So this whole term will be replaced with dt, and 1 plus log x can be t. So it will be dt by t. Now this is very simple question. So we can do that. Log of mod t plus some constant c. So this is going to be log of 1 plus log of x plus some constant c. So this is your answer. Let's take another question. So question number, let us say 3. Integration of x square root of 1 plus 2x square dx. So this is going to be very simple. What we do is, we'll try to replace this square root term so that it becomes little easy for us. So let's put, since we are working with integration by substitution, so our understanding must be to understand what is the term that we can replace to get our simplified terms, right? So put 1 plus 2x square is equal to, let's say, some variable t. Then differentiating, what will happen? 2 to the 4x dx is equal to dt. So our understanding should be, we have available term here x dx. So x dx can be replaced by dt. It means 4 can go that side. So it can become x dx is equal to dt by 4. Or by yourself you can understand that at the place of x dx you will have to replace dt by 4. So can we do that? We will get x dx will be dt by 4, and this square root of 1 plus 2x square is going to be t. So it will be t into dt by 4. Okay. Now this is very simple. 1 by 4 into t integration is what? T square by 2 plus some constant c. So this can become 1 by 8, 4 to the 8, and t square can be written as 1 plus 2x x square का whole square plus c. So this was also very simple question that we have substituted. Wait a moment, we have made little mistake here. Actually this should be a square root of t, because t was 1 plus 2x square. So here it is square root of that. So we should be putting this square root. So what we can do is we can remove all these. Okay, and let us make here square root of t into dt by 4. So now what will happen? 1 by 4 integration of t to the power 1 by 2 dt. Now you know already that 1 by 4 and integration of t to the power 1 by 2 will be what? T to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus some constant c. So this can become as, see, I will just put it directly, 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. So 2 will go up, so it will become 2 by 4 into 3 multiplied by t to the power 3 by 2 plus c. That can become as 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, so 1 by 6, and t to the power 3 by 2. So we will replace t by 1 plus 2x square. So 1 plus 2x square to the power 3 by 2 plus some constant c. So this is the complete answer that is there for the question of integration of x root under 1 plus 2x square dx. Okay, let's take little more tough question so that you can have a complete understanding about how to do integration by substitution. This question is integration of 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. So what shall we do? Our aim to be, like, understand that x square plus x plus 1 can be replaced by t, so it will give me 2x plus 1. So this will be very similar to my 4x plus 2. So can we do that? So let us say, put x square plus x plus 1 is equal to, let's say, t. Then what do we have? If you differentiate that, 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So here we have 4x plus 2, so 2 can be taken common. So in that case 2x plus 1 into dx will be replaced by dt. So can we replace that? So my integration becomes 2 times 2x plus 1 dx will go with dt, and this will be a square root of t into dt. Okay, so this is very simple now. Now you know already, just now we had done a square root of t, so square root of t we can directly do 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, because t square root is t to the power 1 by 2. So this can be done done as 2 to the 4 by 3 into t to the power 3 by 2. That can be put back from here. So it will be x square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus some constant c. Here also you can put that constant c. So it will become very easy. So hope you have a good understanding about how to solve questions based on integration by substitution. Let's take little tough question. So question is, integration of x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 5 dx. Okay, so what can we do? Our aim is to, like, integrate this, and this is, like, in terms of multiplication, so it will be little tough for me to multiply this x to the power 5 inside this bracket. So why don't we do one thing? Put x cube minus 1 is equal to some constant t or some variable t. Then in that case what will happen? 3x square dx is equal to dt. Can we do that? So in that case you are able to see now that 3x square can get replaced by this thing. we have here x to the power 5, so it is extra one more x cube is there, so that can be written as, let us do that, integration of, can we write it like this, x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 into x cube into x square dx, and x square dx can be replaced by dt by 3, and x cube, so from here x cube we can replace this by t plus 1, so I'll just write it note here as x cube can be replaced by t plus 1. Okay, so in that case we can do here by replacing everything, we are going to get x cube minus 1, that is t to the power 1 by 3 into x cube, that is t plus 1 to the power 3. Okay, sorry, what we are going to get, x cube plus 1, so x cube minus 1 is t, so x cube will be t plus 1, so x cube will be t plus 1 into x square dx is going to be from here, which is dt by 3. Okay, so now we are very easy to get 1 by 3 integral of t to the power 1 by 3 into t, so that is going to be t to the power 4 by 3 plus t to the power 1 by 3. I have just multiplied the term so that we can get it separated terms. Now we can integrate this very easily, so 1 by 3, now integration of t to the power 4 by 3 will become what, t to the power 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1, and this whole term will get multiplied with 1 by 3. So now you are able to see that 1 by 3 times this 4 by 3 plus 1 is going to be 3 by 7 it will become, because I am going to take it up 3 by 7, and t to the power 7 by 3 plus this is again 3 by 4, and then this is going to be t to the power 4 by 3. Okay, so if you solve this, then you are going to get 3 got cancelled from both the terms, this 3 will get cancelled, so we will have 1 by 7 terms. So first of all it will be 1 by 7, and t to the power 7 by 3 is going to be t, I will replace this from here, so it is going to be how much, x cube minus 1 to the power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 and x cube minus 1 to the power 4 by 3 plus some constant c. You don't forget to put constant here also, some constant c. Okay, so this is the complete answer for this particular question. Let's take a little tough question in integration by substitution. So question is, integration of x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube. Okay, so what do we have here, we have 3x cube, if we differentiate this, though you can get x square, so x square is there here, right, so we can put same way, put 2 plus 3x cube is equal to some variable t, then we are going to get how much, differentiating, so 2 will get 0 and this will become 3 3 ja 9, x square dx is going to be dt. So can we substitute x square dx is equal to dt by 9. Okay, so dt by 9 it will become, so if we put it here back, then it is going to be dt by 9 divided by 1 by 2 plus 3x cube can be t to the power 3, so 1 by t cube into dt by 9. Okay, now this is very easy question, we can do 1 by 9 integration of t to the power minus 3 dt. So you know integration of x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So similar to that we can put it as 1 by 9 into t to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, right, plus some constant c. So this is going to be minus 2, right, so minus 1 by 18 t to the power minus 2 in plus c. So this can also be written as minus 1 by 18 into 1 by t square plus c, and later you replace that t by this value. So this is going to be how much? Minus 1 by 18 into 1 by t square, that is nothing but 2 plus 3x whole cube ka square plus some constant c. So hope you have now very good idea about how to solve this kind of questions. Let us take one more question, which is going to be very important question. So question is, question number 7. Integration of x by 9 minus 4x square dx. So this is very similar to the previous question. What you can do? You can simply replace this 9 minus 4x square by t and go ahead. So what will happen? Put 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. Then we are going to get minus 4 to the 8, right? 4 to the 8 x dx is equal to dt. So from here we can write it down, x dx is equal to minus dt by 8. So can we replace that? So if we replace this, we are going to get it as x dx will get replaced by minus dt by 4, and 1 by 9 minus 4x square can be replaced by t. So it can be 1 by t into minus dt by 8. Okay. So this is going to be equal to minus 1 by 8, and 1 by t integration is what? Log of mod t plus some constant c. Then again 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 log of mod t is already we know 9 minus 4x square plus c. So this was very simple. Why don't we take this kind of question? So question is, integration of e to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. So to solve this kind of question, what we will do is, we'll try to divide it and multiply it by little bit differently. So let's do that. Integration of, can we do this? E to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power x divided by e to the power 2x plus 1 by e to the power x dx. Okay. So in that case we are going to get, already that e to the power 2x is nothing but e to the power x into e to the power x. So 1 of e to the power x will get cancelled. So I can write it down, e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x will become e to the power minus x. Okay. So hope you have a good idea like what I am trying to do. Then it will be e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Okay. Now we have a very good a simplified form of integration. So what we can do now is put e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is equal to t. Then if you differentiate that, what we are going to get? E to the power x, and in differentiation of e to the power minus x, it will become minus of e to the power minus x. So it will become minus e to the power minus x dx is equal to dt. So these particular values we can see here, the numerator of this integration is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx can be replaced by dt, and e to the power x plus e to the power minus x will be t. So we are going to get after substitution as integration of dt by t, right? And this is nothing but log of mod t plus some constant c, which is going to give us log of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus some constant c. Just make sure that this is in mod form. So this thing. So log of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. Similar to that, as a homework, what you can do is, you can take a question. Question is question number 9. Integration of e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x divided by, or let me make it little better, 2x divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x dx. The answer will be same way whatever we have got here, so it will be log e to the power of 2x plus e to the power minus 2x mod plus some constant c, and this will be 1 by 2 times. So 1 by 2 times log of e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus c. Now let's take a question based on trigonometry formulas. So question is, integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x minus 4 sin x dx. So how we are going to substitute and solve this particular integration, that we will try to understand. Okay, so can we do that? This is positive, so can we do that? Let's take out 2 common, so we will get it as integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 2 times 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, right, dx. Now let us put the denominator term is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, so I can put it that one. So 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. So what will happen? It will become differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx is equal to dt. By seeing that, we can see here numerator is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, so 2 cos x minus 3 sin x is available here, so we can replace that. So it will become integration of, let me make it blue color, so it will become dt divided by 2 times t, right. So it is going to be 1 by 2 log of t, it will become, so log of mod t plus some constant c, and this is going to be 1 by 2 times log of mod t can be written as this one, which is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x mod. So this is the complete solution. Let's take one more question. So question is, integration of cot x log sin x, cot x log sin x. So what we can do? We have log sin x, so we have to understand how to replace that. So shall we do one thing? Let us put log of sin x is equal to t. Then what will happen? Log of something is 1 by x into that thing, so we will have 1 by sin x into differentiation of sin x will also be coming, so that will become sin x differentiation is cos x dx is equal to dt. And you know already that cos by sin is nothing but cot, so we can find cot of x dx is equal to dt. So it is very easy now to understand and to see. The questions are also given in such a fashion that this log sin x can be replaced by t, and in that case we will be getting dt is equal to cot x dx. So by putting that, we are going to get t into cot x dx can be dt. So this is going to be, what is the integration of t dt? T square by 2. So that is going to be plus some constant c. So t square by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 times t square is nothing but log of sin x ka whole square, right, plus some constant c. Okay, let us take some tough question. So if we see, the question is, integration of square root of 10x divided by sin x into cos x dx. So what can we do? We can do one thing, that it can be considered as some like integration, and we will try to multiply divide this term by something. Okay, so what we will do is, let us consider I is equal to this. So what can we do here? Integration of square root of 10x divided by sin x into cos x into, can we do one thing, one more, cos x we can multiply divide, so it will become cos x into cos x, up and down both. Okay, so we are going to get what? Square root of 10x, and if one of the cos x goes down, so it will become sin by cos, that will become 10x. Okay, so we are going to get integration of square root of 10x divided by sin by cos, that is again 10x, into cos square x. Now we are in a position to see this 1 by cos square x will become sec square x, and this square root of 10x will get cut, and it will become 1 by square root of 10x. Okay, so our complete integration is going to be looking like this: sec square x dx by square root of 10x. Okay, so this is now simplified form. You already know that differentiation of 10x is sec square x, so this is how the substitution will be very easy. So let us put 10x is equal to t. Then what will happen? My 10x differentiation is sec square x dx is equal to dt. By putting that value, we are going to get here integration of sec square x dx is dt divided by square root of t. So this square root of t is going to be what? T to the power minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by plus minus 1 by 2 plus 1, you will do all those things. So you will get t to the power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus some constant c. So this is going to be 2 times square root of t. Square root of t is nothing but what? Square root of 10x plus some constant c.